In this video, I will demonstrate how to remove the background pixels from a raster image in Adobe Photoshop using the Magic Wand tool as the selection tool of choice. The following technique is a good process to follow anytime the subject matter and background pixels have a high contrast value. The Magic Wand tool works by selecting like pixels. So when we pick on the white background, the Magic Wand tool will pick all the white pixels adjacent to the place where I picked on the screen within a certain pixel radius. In addition to the Magic Wand tool, you will need to access the Layers panel. To locate and deploy this panel, go to the Window pull-down menu and check Layers from the list. Pick on the white background pixels using the Magic Wand tool. On the Layers panel, pick on the padlock icon to unlock the layer. Then pick on the Delete key from your keyboard. Let's take a hyperpause to point out that the gray and white checkerboard background indicates transparency. The file is now ready to be saved. Save this file two different ways. Go to the File pull-down menu to Save As, and from the file type choose .psd, which stands for Photoshop Document. Do this process one more time, but change the file type to a Portable Network Graphic or PNG file. Both files maintain a transparent background. Use the PSD file in Adobe Photoshop native files and use the PNG file in any other software program.